Hello and welcome to my new video series, Quick Tips. In this video series I'll be showing you how to speed up your computer, fix computer problems and remove viruses on Windows, Android and maybe iOS. So first of all, go to your internet and go to Google. Once you've got Google up, type in piriform and go to the piriform.com website. And then go up to the download tab at the top and click on the download button next to CCleaner and Defraggler. Click on the download from piriform.com. Don't download from download.com or filehippo.com as our third-party websites. And then just click run. Should be downloaded in less than a minute. Alright, so while that's happening, just go back and do the same for Defraggler. I'm not going to do that because I've already got it installed, but I'll just show you how to install CCleaner. The good thing about these is they don't install ads, so you don't need to worry about skipping ads and stuff like that. So you click next once it's appeared and go install. It should be installed in under 30 seconds. Alright, so once that's installed, just click untick the view release notes and click finish. And just minimize internet, and once CCleaner opens, just go over to the side here and just tick on all the ones that you want to use. Don't click on any of the menu order catch, tray notification catch, Windows subs location catch, and wipe free space. You will get a notification about it, so don't click on any unless you know what you're doing. And I've just ticked all those ones there except for like save info. Once you've done that, just click analyze, and it should take less than a minute to analyze. So once that's complete, just click run cleaner. It says I have 33.8 megabytes to clean, and it cleaned 33.9 megabytes. Once it's done, just click analyze again, and then click run cleaner, and it's removed another 2 megabytes. Once you've done that, go over to registry and click scan for issues. I don't have any registry issues, but you'll find that this box here will light up, and then just click on that and it'll ask you if you want to back up your registry. Just click no, and then click all fix all selected issues. And once you've done that, just go down to tools, go into startup, click on one, and then just go Control A and click disable on the side, and do that for every single one that you want to do. Once you've done that, go down to options, go down to cookies. You'll find some in the cookies to keep. Just click on it and go Control A if there's more than one, and then just click the left arrow. Once you've done that, go back to CCleaner, click analyze, and then click run cleaner. Alright, so that's complete. So now you can close CCleaner, and we'll go open Defraggler. So once that's open, just click analyze, just like CCleaner, and go to file list. So after that's finished analyzing, which should be less than a minute, just click on this box up here, and then click defrag checked. That should take less than 5 minutes to defrag. Unless it's your first time, it may take up to 2 hours. So whilst that's happening, we'll just go back to the internet, go to Google, and type in Clemy utilities. And then go to the glarysoft.com website, and then go to the downloads. It should be the top one there, because at the moment it says Clemy utilities 3.9.1. So I'm just going to click on the download now button and then click run just like CCleaner. It shouldn't take any more than about 2 minutes to download. So once that's installed, just go to the installer and click next, I agree, and install. That shouldn't take any more than 30 seconds to install. So once it's installed, just click the finish button and it will start to open. Once it's open, just you'll probably see a click maintenance window. Just go to the advanced tools and click repair under Windows registry. Click scan registry for problems. Make sure you've got all the things on the side over here that you want ticked too. Because we just did this in CCleaner, you probably won't get many problems, but I have got a couple problems here, so I'm just going to go repair. That's completed, so now just go close, and then scan again. Whilst that's happening, we'll just go back to Clemy Utilities and go Windows Registry Defragment. I'm not going to do that because it does need to be restarted, but I'll quickly show you. Just go next, click OK. You won't be able to do anything while this is happening too, by the way. So once that bit's done, it should show up with the defragment. But while that's still trying to sort itself out, we'll just go back to Clemy Utilities, go disk space, and go clean up. And then at the top, you just want to go scan after you've ticked all the boxes on the side here that you want. And then just go over to that down arrow next to the check and go check all, and then go start cleaning. So it found 112 Internet Explorer files, 8 Windows updates, and system log files is 8. Which that shouldn't take any more than about a minute to clean. So once that's finished cleaning, just go scan again. It's found 3 more files, so you just want to go check all again and go start cleaning. So that was done in about a quarter of a second then. And then you want to go back to Clemy Utilities and under disk space again, go remove duplicates and click scan. Make sure you got your selected drive ticked too. It should take about 30 seconds to scan your drive, depending on how big it is. So once that's finished, click finish and it'll tell you the total amount of files and how many duplicates were found. And underneath that down arrow, just click check intelligent and then go delete checked files. And yes, accept it so they can go to the recycle bin. And that's done. So now you just go scan for duplicate files again. Scan. And this should take less than 5 seconds to scan now. So you just want to go check intelligence again. And check intelligent and go delete checked files. And click yes. And then click skip. And now that that's done, just click exit. And it says here that defragment is complete. Some files were not defragmented. That happens a lot, so just click OK. Go to defragment and click analyze again. And once that's complete, just go up here again and click that tick box. As you can see, there's still a lot of files that haven't been defragged. And then just go defrag checked. which that should take no more than 5 minutes to do that. So back over in Glare Utilities, go remove empty folders under disk space, and then click the disk drive that you want, and then just go scan now. While that's happening, we'll go back to Glare Utilities again. That's done, so we'll just click on the drive that you want, and then just go, or you could go check all, and then go delete checked folders. And then just go skip if any errors come up. And then just go scan for empty folders, same as again. And then just go check all. And then go delete checked folders. Once that's done, just close that. Go back to Glare Utilities and go remove broken shortcuts under disk space again. And it's found 0. CCleaner may fix this under the registry. So just close that. Explorer disks, you can go in there if you want, and then click OK. And it should take less than 30 seconds to scan your drive. Once that's done, you can just come over here and show and have a look at what folders using on your hard drive for how much space it's used. So Windows has used like 24% of the hard drive usage so far, and that's almost 19 gigs. So you can delete some of those files if you want, but I'm not going to touch any of that at the moment. Just go System Tweaks and back in Glare Utilities and go free up memory. Once you get in here, just get that slide and slide it up to the max and click OK. So that says defraggle is completed again. So just go back in and go analyze for one last time. And then just click that same tick box again. And go defrag checked. Alright, so it took about 3 seconds then. So just click OK once it's come up. If you want to get more in depth of a clean, you can go over and click on one of them. The little squares up there, that's coloured in. And then I'll show you all the files that haven't been defragged. I don't recommend doing this because these files purposely haven't been defragged because it can stuff up your computer. So you can benchmark your drive and see how its performance is. My random read speed is almost 53 megabytes per second, which is reasonably good for a mechanical hard drive. So we'll go back to Glare Utilities and we'll go to Browser Assistant under System Tweaks. Go back to Internet Explorer. You can just find your way around here if you want and just click on one. Like I want to get rid of the Adobe PDF toolbar for Internet Explorer. Just go permanently remove this item, click yes, and that would have got rid of it. So just go IE toolbars and you can go along and do the same for that. So I get rid of the Adobe PDF again, and I'll get rid of the locked, and you can just go through and keep looking and uninstall anything else that you don't want. So I'm happy with that. You can go down to the bottom here and do it for all the other browsers too if you want, but I'm not going to worry about that. So just go close, remove malwares, and then you click scan at the bottom right. Scanning complete. I've got 0, so I'll just close that. Privacy, I'll just go erase history. It would have done that in CCleaner anyway. But I'm just going to go up and go check all. Analyze. It's found 6 items. and 361 files to be removed. So let's go erase check tracks, click yes. Some of that there may be the form history that I didn't tick in CCleaner. So now we'll go back to Glare Utilities under privacy. You can go white free space, but that's in CCleaner and I didn't do that, so we're not going to touch that. You can encrypt your files so nobody can access them as easy. And under system control you can go startup items. So we'll click on that. It's the same as CCleaner. You can refresh the startup items there, but because we did in CCleaner there's no item showing up. You can go back to Glare Utilities and go scheduled tasks. And under scheduled tasks, let's bring up all the ones that are scheduled. And you can just go through there and delete or stop them from doing it on a certain day. But I'm just going to leave that for now. So in Glare Utilities, you just want to go to Services, and I can't go into that, so I'm not going to worry about it. You can go into your processes too, and it'll show you which ones are using the most. You should turn off all the ones that are like a higher rating. But I'm not going to touch that, and don't worry about touching if you don't know what you're doing, because some things may shut down your computer. You can look at your system information, you can back up your computer, repair system files, stuff like that, but I'm not going to worry about any of that for now. We're going to go to hard disk and go defragment, just like defragger, and we're going to go in that down arrow, make sure it's on defrag, and once you've clicked that, it should start defragging automatically. So while that's happening, we'll just go back to Glare Utilities. And under hard disks, we're going to go check for errors and click automatically fix file system errors, scan and attempt recovery for bad sectors, and then click start check. No errors were found, it says, so it's going to get cancelled. And then just go cancel again. So you can go under programs, check for updates. And it'll check your whole computer for any programs that need updating. So while that's happening, we'll just go over to the uninstall, which is just like the one that's built into the operating system, Windows, but you give more options. So you can just scroll through there and uninstall any other things that you might not need. But I'm not going to touch any of that because I want to keep all my programs. So now that you're finished, you can just close Glare Utilities. For the software update, it says you have 5 new updates and 2 beta updates available. So you can just close that, and it's come up in the internet. So you can go over and go download now for all the ones that need updating. I don't recommend updating the beta version because they can have a lot of glitches and problems with them. So just you can download whatever ones you want there, but while you're doing that, just go back over to disk defrag. Alright, so now that that's complete, we can close that. Close that one. Click repair on that one. Close. Exit. and no thanks, that one would have come up at the start. So the last program today, we're gonna have to go download Clemy, and go to the PX coding website, and then just scroll down until you get to this download here. Don't click on that one because it's an ad. So just click on that download button. Just follow the download instructions on the screen. So once you've installed it, it will come up saying, do you want to create a restore point? Click no. You can click on the pluses here. It'll say, did you want to disable all action standard tray notifications? And you can disable all different things and under different things. But for this tutorial, we're going to go into Cleaner and go Analyze. Actually, you need to tick all the boxes. So just click on the deselect all button and then go Analyze. And then once it's analyzed, it says 254.92 megs is garbage, so just go clean. Yes, I do want to close Internet Explorer. And then that's complete. So once that's done, it's going to start up, and it says no items found because we did all that in CCleaner earlier. Then you want to go up to the top there where it says tweak me, and then go fixes. And then this is where you can fix some system problems and stuff. But we're just going to go system files, and we're going to click scan now. Once that scans, you can just wait for that to finish scanning. It will take probably 15 minutes to scan, but I'm not going to worry about that. And then you can just follow the on-screen instructions there. So you can close down all the windows. Thank you for watching Quick Tips number 1. Stay tuned for Quick Tips number 2, as it will be coming out in the next 2 weeks. Please like and subscribe below.